Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, How to Learn English in 2025. This isn't just another discussion, it's your roadmap to mastering English in today's fast-paced, ever-evolving world. Whether you're here to sharpen your speaking skills, improve your listening, or simply find motivation, you're in the right place. So, grab your notebook, sit back, and let's dive right in. Learning English in 2025 is a completely different experience compared to the past. Technology has transformed everything. But here's the big question. Where do you start? With so many resources out there, how do you stay consistent and make progress that lasts? Let me share a bit of my own journey. When I first started learning English, resources were scarce. I relied on old textbooks, traditional classes, and a lot of guesswork. Honestly, it was frustrating. Fast forward to today, and the possibilities are endless. Apps, podcasts, online courses, and even AI tools are here to help you learn faster, better, and more effectively. But before we get into the tools, let's talk about something critical: your mindset. Your mindset will make or break your learning journey. If you're scared of making mistakes or hesitate to even try, you're holding yourself back. Embrace English with excitement and curiosity. Remember, mistakes aren't failures, they're stepping stones to improvement. One of the game changers in 2025 is AI-powered apps. Imagine having lessons tailored to your needs, your strengths, your weaknesses. Apps like Duolingo and Babbel adapt as you learn, focusing on exactly what you need. Struggling with vocabulary? They've got you. Need grammar practice? They'll guide you step by step. Podcasts are another treasure. Imagine this. You're on a walk, commuting, or cooking, and you're improving your English at the same time. Podcasts let you practice listening anytime, anywhere. They cover real-life conversations, cultural insights, and even advanced vocabulary. The best part? They're engaging and fun. And let's not forget speaking. Many learners hesitate, afraid of saying the wrong thing. But here's the secret. Start small. Talk to yourself. Describe your surroundings. Say what's on your mind, in English. Then, take it up a notch. Use platforms like HelloTalk or Tandem to connect with real people and practice in real time. Staying consistent is another challenge many face. The initial excitement fades and routines slip. Sound familiar? Here's what you do. Set small, realistic goals. Instead of aiming to be fluent in 6 months, commit to learning 10 new words a week or practicing speaking for 15 minutes daily. Remember, small steps add up to big achievements. Immersion is another powerful strategy. No, you don't need to move to an English-speaking country to immerse yourself. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone settings. Watch English shows. Follow English-speaking influencers. Create an environment where English is everywhere. Now, about writing. It's an often overlooked skill, but it's vital. Start a journal. Write a few sentences every day about your thoughts, your goals, or what you learned. Use tools like Grammarly to check your work. It's like having Chapter 2 with improved punctuation to create natural pauses and emotional depth. Let's dive deeper into how you can stay motivated and push through challenges on your English learning journey in 2025. Motivation isn't just about being excited in the beginning. It's about keeping that excitement alive, especially when the journey gets tough. Imagine this. You've been learning English for a few weeks. At first, it feels amazing. You're learning new words, picking up phrases, and your confidence is growing. But then, something happens. Maybe you get busy, maybe you feel stuck, or maybe you make a mistake and start doubting yourself. Sound familiar? This is where most people give up. But here's the key. Don't stop. When things get hard, remind yourself why you started. Was it to get a better job? To travel? To connect with people from around the world? Hold on to that reason. It's your fuel to keep going. Now let's talk about the importance of routines. A consistent learning routine can change everything. Imagine waking up every morning and dedicating just 15 minutes to learning English. It might not seem like much, but over time, those 15 minutes add up. Consistency beats intensity every single time. And here's a trick to make routines stick. Make them enjoyable. If you hate grammar exercises, don't force yourself to do them every day. Instead, watch a show you love, in English, or listen to music, or join an online community where people share their English learning experiences. When you enjoy the process, you're more likely to stick with it. Let's not forget the role of emotions in learning English. Did you know that when you're emotionally engaged, you remember things better? Think about it. How many song lyrics do you know by heart? That's because music connects with your emotions. Use this to your advantage. Find content that excites you, whether it's a thrilling podcast, an inspiring speech, or even a heartfelt movie scene. And speaking of movies, let's not underestimate the power of visual learning. Watching movies or TV shows in English is one of the best ways to improve your listening and speaking skills. But here's a pro tip. Don't just watch, engage. Pause and repeat lines. Try to imitate accents. Pay attention to how words are pronounced and how sentences flow. When it comes to speaking, let's address the fear of making mistakes. This is one of the biggest barriers learners face. You think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? Let me tell you something. No one becomes fluent without making mistakes. In fact, mistakes are proof that you're trying. Embrace them, learn from them, and move on. And if you're shy or nervous, start small. Talk to yourself in English. It might feel strange at first, but it's a powerful way to build confidence. Describe your day, your plans, or even your thoughts out loud. Over time, this self-practice will make speaking to others much easier. One more tip. Find a community. Learning English doesn't have to be a solo journey. Join groups or forums where people share their challenges and victories. Platforms like Reddit, Facebook groups, or even Discord servers are great places to connect with fellow learners. Knowing that others are on the same journey can be incredibly motivating. Finally, celebrate your progress. Learning a language is a long process, and it's easy to get discouraged when you focus on how far you still have to go. Instead, take time to appreciate how far you've come. Maybe you understand a song lyric you didn't before. Maybe you had a simple conversation with a stranger. These moments might seem small, but they're huge milestones. So, what does learning English in 2025 really take? It takes commitment, creativity, And above all, patience. It's not about being perfect. It's about making progress, one step at a time. Stay tuned, because in the next chapter we'll dive into advanced techniques and tools that can help you take your English to the next level. But for now, remember this: every word you learn, every sentence you speak, brings you closer to fluency. Keep going. You're doing amazing. As we wrap up, let me remind you of something important. Your journey to learning English is unique, and every small effort you make brings you closer to your goals. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and celebrate the milestones, no matter how small they may seem. Learning English opens up a world of opportunities, better jobs, deeper connections, and the ability to explore different cultures. So, don't stop here. Stay curious, keep improving, and most importantly, believe in yourself. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Pro English Skills, for more videos like this. Together, we'll continue to explore tips, stories, and techniques that will help you master English step by step. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.